You're managing finances with QuickBooks. But tracking data with Google Sheets? Neither connects like you need it to. But your work depends on both. At Mesa, you can connect any apps into workflows that simplify how you get stuff done. So your data flows, your updates stay in sync, and your work just happens. For example, when a new QuickBooks invoice is created, instantly log it to your Google Sheets for real-time financial tracking. Or every time you add a customer in QuickBooks, automatically update your master spreadsheet. Or even, when your Google Sheets data changes, create the corresponding invoice in QuickBooks automatically. Mesa has built-in tools to give you complete control. So things happen when they should, how they should, and only if they should. Whatever you need to do between QuickBooks and Google Sheets, make it happen with Mesa. Get started today for free.